Pop Danthology.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. You're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely. Girl, you're so hot inside you. Clap along if you feel like the room is out of roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. He's I'm crazy. 'Cause you don't think I know what you've done. These girls ain't loyal. Baby, I know I'm not the only one. You talk dirty to me. Turn down the water.
I can read your body language.
What are you gonna do?
This is how we do.
So what are you gonna do?
This is how we do.
You know the words in my songs. No habla English.
Girl, said you hallelujah. Girl, said you hallelujah.
Our conversations ain't long, but you know what is.
Girl, said you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. I'm so confused. She came to give it to you. Hey, what you do? So if you know what you want, she'll be on the line. I got you in my space. I won't let go again.
When you say you love me, no, I love you more. And when you say you need me, no, I need you more.
There's no going back.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
You never said a word, you didn't send me no letter.
I'm sorry that I couldn't get you. Why you gotta be so rude?
Trying so hard not to let it show. Nobody else seems to know.
If one thing I know, I bought what I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong?
I'll give you a taste to make it like a
Yeah, no matter what you say.
I know you like it sweet, so you can hold your cake. Give you something good to say. Kanye, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Pop Danthology.
I say I'm too late.